Everyone, and yep, another video, and this time I have a fixed camera, so no wobbly camera modes. Anyway, this one is for, well, I've already taken out the packet, so we don't really need to do that. As you can see there, X360 hard drive. This is purely a shell for fitting said hard drive, and this is from the old original Xbox 360. There's probably plenty of these videos on YouTube, but I thought, well, might as well make my own. So if I get it wrong, it's a little bit of a amusement for everyone. So there we go. All crikey, yeah. This does look official, even though it probably isn't. A spongy foot thing there. Sticker, obviously, for the bottom. Let's get on with and peel it. Let's have a look, see what we need to do. So, that looks pretty official. Xbox 360, nice and shiny. Place that one there. Place the rubbish over there. Keep that safe, because that may be very important. Yes, made in China. Obviously that's going to have to be cut out by the looks of things. Let's unpack all this. Ooh, glossy and slightly matte finished as well. See, I have an official one. One moment. See, this is my own hard drive, and yes, there are subtle differences, and you can see that it's not official, but even so, it will do the job. So, yeah. Tag with 250. Tag with 250, you can see the difference in that as well. It's not quite so well done as its counterpart. Anyway, we will see if there's are there any distractions? No. So I'm wondering where this little piece of foam goes. Interesting. Okay, let's try and peel this off. And it looks like, yep, that just comes out like that. Don't need that anymore. Amateurishly try and stick this onto the shell. Not too bad. Looks like it was even stuck on in China. Okay. Now I'm guessing that this is going to have to go in here, and I would say underneath the drive to stop it from wobbling, maybe. And there's that pulley thing there, which pulls in the lever. Didn't get the angle right on the camera. There you go. So that works. I'm going to guess that it goes about there, because that looks kind of right. If I'm wrong, somebody please let me know and tell me. Okay, so put the drive in like that so it matches that one. And I'm just presuming that this just clips on the top. Well, and there we have it. All in its case. and I will quickly grab my Xbox. This is very well prepared, I must say. Okay, my Slim 360, my original drive, straight in, lovely, nice and firm, and pops out lovely as well. And the replacement, oh, that's actually quite comfortable. That feels much better than I expected it to. It slots in very easily. I'm very impressed with that. Very good. Anyway, 360 hard drive case. Courtesy of eBay. Anyway, see you next time. Thanks for watching.